Hey guys, welcome. So how do you send money on PayPal to Wise or whatever bank account or whatever platform it is you like to send to? So first and foremost, let's go ahead and check our PayPal here. It takes a little bit long time to load here, so please bear with me. And here we go. I've blurred it for obviously security purposes so that you guys could see the full tutorial without it actually exposing privacy and stuff. Okay, so what I'm gonna need you to do is go to the wallets right here. So once you go to the wallets, let me just here you go, debit and credit cards. Go to the wallets here, just go ahead and click it. You're going to be seeing this add bank and credit card. So in here, once you click that, you could also put the so-called wallet that you want to be inputted here. So whatever it is, as long as it's on here on the settings. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.